Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Xbox 360 Slim completely off, ejecting any disk and unplugging every cable. This prevents short circuits and accidental starts. Once done, remove any detachable hard drive or accessories so nothing blocks later steps. Make sure you work on a flat surface with a soft towel and an anti-static strap if you have one. This protects internal parts. Now position the console so the front faceplate is toward you, and prepare the correct small Torx and plastic pry tools. You'll gently remove the front faceplate first by prying at the seams. Do this slowly to avoid breaking clips. Then flip the unit and remove the small Torx screws holding the top shell. Keep screws labeled or in separate piles so reassembly is straightforward. Once the top lifts, pause and identify any ribbon cables to the IR and USB boards. Disconnect them by releasing the latches before fully removing the shell. Taking these steady, deliberate steps prevents broken connectors and lost screws. You now remove screws holding the DVD drive and heatsink, lifting each component straight up to avoid snagging. Once exposed, inspect the fan and heatsink for dust, clean with compressed air, and check thermal paste. Replacing it improves cooling and prevents future failures. Reconnect all ribbon cables and secure screws in reverse order, then plug in and test power and disk eject functions before snapping the faceplate back on. If the console won't power, check cable seating and test with a different outlet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.